What's up, Silingan? What's up, neighbor? Today is one fine Friday afternoon. This is going to be pretty controversial. This topic is pretty controversial, so I will not blame you if you leave this after warning you. This topic is about how parents give false hope to their children regarding the future of their house, because in the Philippines, every family is very closely tied. That means even after 18 years old, if even after having a job, leaving the house is optional. It's not a requirement. And this puts a very comfortable mindset to the children, to the point that when the parent dies, they will fight over the ownership of the house. And that has been the case here in the Philippines for the longest time. In fact, our president and the company said he no longer owns any property, any car, anything. Everything has been named to either their children or to his wife. He doesn't want any problems when it comes to taxation, or when he dies, who will own the property. He doesn't want that. And it gave me an idea for a topic. I know a guy who was not that rich. Their family is living in a squatters area, but he was able to rise up to his position. He was able to graduate, and he now is working abroad. I will not mention which country it is. And he is sending money to his family. He is still single. Okay, I think he's 25 or 26, single, and the money that he's been sending here in the Philippines has been spent to renovate their house. The house looks great. It has 2 floors. The lot area, I think, is about 80 square meters. So the floor area, considering I'm not judging, but considering they live in a squatters area, they want to maximize the floor. So I'm gonna assume the floor area is twice the lot area. So it's 160 square meters. It's a big house. Who is living in that house? The mom, the dad, and the sister. The sister's daughter, the sister's son, and the sister's husband, and their cousins. He only comes here in the Philippines every Christmas, so he gets to live in the house for a few days a year. I approached him one time and said, you should invest in a property. You should invest in a condo, because you're working there. You're earning, and while you are earning, it is best that you should invest the money so that when you come home, you have something that you can call your own. But no, he said he doesn't want to spend his money aside from spending it for the house that he grew up in, which is very sad considering we are at the age of information, yet we are still held back by the traditions of the past. And that tradition includes, when you made it, when you get a job, you should spend for the schooling of your siblings, or when you get a job, you should take care of us, you should give us money as your parents, or now that you are there, now that you are earning, spend money for our current house. And that is what is holding the Philippines, the young ones, today, I think. So, yeah, I'm just venting out. Thank you for listening. It just got me frustrated, because I know that he's earning pretty well. He's earning more than me at that age. Yet at that same age, I already bought this house, while he still spends most of his. It's not wrong. Okay, let me clarify. It's not wrong to give money to your parents. Okay, it's not wrong to spend for the house that you grew up in. What I see is wrong is you give all your money there and not having some for yourself. It's been 5 years, man. If you're watching this, it's been 5 years. It would be nice if you got a change of pace, something that you can brag about now that you're working abroad. For all millennials out there, I hope you think of your future, because let's face it, your parents may not live as long as you, and there will come a time that your siblings will talk about the ownership of the house, which your parents did not clarify who will own it when they die. Fun story. When I was young, when I was about 14 or 15, my mother, at the peak of her anger to us, her children, said, we do not own any of their properties. Nothing will be ours. So it stuck in my head for a long time and I promised myself that I will definitely buy my own. But the moment of buying did not arrive because I got lazy. I wanted to spare more on gadgets and travel and everything until March came, and she pushed me to invest the money to buy a house for our future. And here we are. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening to my rant. I'm gonna move on, get to regular programming tomorrow, probably, or Sunday, or next week. But that's it. And thank you. Thank you for listening. Bye. See you.